today I'm going to explore few areas in Bay of Islands. So all these months, I have been curious ever since I started living in Paihia that who owns this ship? Like it always stays here. So let's go. Let's check out. Unfortunately, that ship was locked. My bad. So now I'm heading to Waitangi grounds, Treaty. On the way, I'm gonna show you some glimpses of Copton Hotel and Resorts. That's the lookout point, and it looks amazing during sunrise and sunset. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.